take a moment and settle into stillness. Find a quiet place free from screens and notifications. Gently close your eyes and turn your awareness inward. In a world filled with constant digital stimulation, our minds and bodies often crave stillness, presence, and real connection. This meditation will help you release digital overwhelm, restore mental clarity, and reconnect with yourself. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs, expanding your awareness, and exhaling gently, letting go of any tension or mental clutter. Once again, another deep breath in, and slowly exhale. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm and spaciousness. With every exhale, release mental noise and digital fatigue. Deep breath in, inhaling calm spaciousness. Exhale, releasing mental noise and digital fatigue. Feel your breath slowing, deepening, like the gentle rhythm of the ocean waves. And bring your awareness now to your body. Now bring your awareness to how your body feels after extended screen time. Have you noticed tension in your eyes, neck, or hands? Do you notice restlessness or mental clutter? Imagine now a soft golden light flowing through your body, dissolving any tension, soothing those tired eyes, and relaxing your nervous system at this time. Silently affirm, I release the need to be constantly connected. I give myself permission to unplug and recharge. Now shift your focus to the present. Listen to the sounds around you. Maybe the hum of nature, the faint whisper of your breath. Feel the space around you, the air on your skin, and imagine yourself stepping into a peaceful, natural setting, perhaps a forest, a calm lake, or an open field under a vast sky. See the colors, feel the textures, breathe in the fresh air. This is presence. This is what exists beyond the screen. And silently affirm, I am fully here in this moment. I embrace the stillness of real connection. And now, turning inward, without digital distractions, with thoughts and emotions or sensations arise, notice them within yourself. Instead of reaching for the external input, turning inward truly gives us clarity. Trust that you already hold all that you need. And silently affirm, my mind is clear. My heart is open. I choose to be present with myself and the world around me. Now take a few moments and just sit in this space. And when you feel ready and find yourself feeling renewed and energized, take a deep breath in and exhale, once again letting go of any lingering tension or mental fog. And slowly begin to open your eyes, carrying this feeling of clarity, presence, and peace with you. Today, consider spending intentional time away from screens, whether through journaling, nature, movement, or quiet reflection. You are more than the digital world. You are here. You are now.